Welcome back to Car Garage USA, your ultimate destination for exploring the most stunning, futuristic, and high-performance vehicles from around the world. Today, we're diving into something truly special, the all-new 2026 Renault 4, a reimagined classic that merges nostalgic design with tomorrow's electric innovation. The Renault 4, once an icon of simplicity and practicality, has been completely reborn for the electric era. The 2026 version keeps the soul of the original but brings in a futuristic design language that's bold, smooth, and filled with personality. The body features sculpted lines, wide stance proportions, and a sleek aerodynamic flow that perfectly balances retro charm with modern sophistication. As we take a closer look at the front, you'll notice the signature Renault Diamond logo illuminated in full LED glory, sitting proudly on the closed-off grille, a symbol of its all-electric DNA. The matrix LED headlights give it an expressive face, while the elevated hood and bold fenders add a confident road presence. The two-tone color options and futuristic 19-inch alloy wheels complete the look of this urban masterpiece. Move along the side, and you'll see the blend of classic boxy elements with futuristic curves. Renault has smartly retained the essence of the original 4's design, a tall roofline and compact dimensions, making it perfect for city driving, yet roomy enough for families. The flush door handles and smooth contouring enhance its efficiency while giving it that clean, modern appeal. At the rear, the 2026 Renault 4 continues to impress with its square LED taillights inspired by the classic model, now reimagined with a digital twist. The rear bumper integrates seamlessly into the body, offering both strength and style. The Renault badge glows softly when the car is unlocked, adding a premium touch that feels straight out of the future. Step inside, and you'll instantly feel the next-level transformation. The cabin is minimal yet high-tech, wrapped in sustainable materials, soft-touch surfaces, and ambient LED lighting. A large floating digital display dominates the dashboard, blending the instrument cluster and infotainment into one panoramic screen. Renault's latest OpenR-Link system offers full connectivity with Google built-in, wireless Apple CarPlay, and advanced voice control. The seats are crafted with eco-friendly recycled fabrics, offering comfort for long drives and style that matches the car's futuristic vibe. With adjustable ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and enhanced sound insulation, every ride feels quiet, smooth, and premium. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the floor, lies the 100% electric powertrain. The 2026 Renault 4 is powered by a state-of-the-art electric motor paired with a high-capacity lithium-ion battery that delivers around 250 to 300 miles, 400–480 kilometers, of range on a full charge. It supports fast charging, reaching 80% in just about 30 minutes. Performance-wise, it's agile and responsive, making city driving effortless while offering a stable, comfortable ride on highways. With multiple drive modes, regenerative braking, and Renault's latest electronic stability control, this car offers both efficiency and fun. Safety is a top priority in the 2026 Renault 4. You get advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, and 360-degree cameras for confident driving in all conditions. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. The 2026 Renault 4 brings back the legend in a new electric era, blending heritage with innovation. It's designed for modern explorers who value style, sustainability, and smart technology in one dynamic package. So, what do you think? Would you take this futuristic version of a French classic for a drive? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with the latest car releases, electric innovations, and luxury rides from across the globe, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Car Garage USA, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Only on Car Garage USA, where passion meets performance.